Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Kia Niro hybrid in metallic white. Rear parking sensors, rear camera, privacy glass in the rear, alloy wheels. Very clean car. It's half leather seats, side airbags, got a pocket here, your handbooks and everything here. Isofix rear seats as well. 4 electric windows. The boot carpet is in the garage, just been cleaned. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat. It's done 40,000 miles, 40,208 miles. This is your key here. And turn the ignition on. It's started up, you've got to confirm that. Basically to power outlet, USB here for charging and a USB there. Dual climate. There's another USB in here. It's a nice little handy pocket that to store stuff. Illuminated vanity mirrors. Sunglass case. Here. Radio, all menus, and Android Auto, Apple Carplay, radio, hybrid, shows you your miles per gallon and all this. This is only the engine is charging the battery up. Your sat nav you use via your phone basically. Set up. DAB radio. Got your different modes, cruise control, speed limiter here. Collision warning, on off. Voice activation. Telephone button here, volume, quite a lot on it really. This is the handbrake here. Auto hold means that basically the whole vehicle holds on the hill. You don't have to put the thing automatic. Turn your parking sensors off here. So turn that off. Auto wipers, auto lights as well. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.